Hey guys, it's Maymay, and if you have ever been here for a reveal, this is your reveal. I'm in love with the stamp set and the possibilities and the things we can do with it, and I cannot wait for you to see our samples because they're so cute. I say the same stuff all the time, but it's true, you guys. This one is so good. So if you want to join our stamp club, all the information is in the description below. I've had so many people tell me how much they love our stamp club and how affordable it is. So if you've ever thought about doing it, please check it out. I think you would be impressed with what you get for how little investment it is. So ready for this? This is a scripture club, okay? And it's for the month of May, just to remind y'all, because I didn't say that part. Here we go. This one is called His Pathway. This is so cute. Now I have to make sure there's no glare because I don't have a monitor today. There we go. So what you get here is this adorable little camper. Hello, is this a Maymay camper or what? I would totally stay in this camper. Then you get this little Rambler, y'all. I don't know if it's a Rambler, but here's what I know. My dad had a Rambler and that's what it reminded me of. And so I was like, I love this little car. And plus all our sentiments. He will make your path straight. We don't know where the road leads, but we know he's already there. Where you go, I'll go. Stop and pray. Root John 3:16. Follow the road God called you to travel and praying with you on this journey. Then you get little footprints that are separate so you can stamp them separately, and also this little arrow. You also get the center line of the road, and this is a signpost for your signs. Now, we made some samples for you, and I'm super excited. Let me show you those because they're cute. I'm going to start with Shannon's because are you kidding me? Look at her sample. Look how cute. She is such a good colorist. And she did this with color pencils, guys. She did the little red with the green. And she let her paper be her inspiration. She started with the strawberry paper. And she did the sentiment, where you go, I'll go. Come on. I love how she stamped it off where it looks like they're traveling away. So cute. Great job. Then my second sample is this guy. I paper pieced. I thought this would be cute to have like the little blue here, and the little curtains are all little paper pieced. I cut them out and then dotted them. I think they're so cute. And then I took my pen and made it look like kind of wood or like siding on the top. And this one is, we don't know where the road leads, but we know he is already there. And on the inside I put, praying with you on this journey. I love this stamp set. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, look at this guy. There's a couple things I'd change. I didn't do the windows very well because I was rushing. So if they look a little splotchy, it's my fault. But look how cute this is. This is a full-size slimline card. And when Sylvia was helping me design the stamp set, she made sure this would work on the longer set. So you could make sure you could get both images on here. But I love how this turned out. Isn't this the cutest? All right, guys. I know you're going to run to get this one. And you can. Even if you're not in the club, this one is available in the store. This stamp set is $12.99 if you're not in the club. If you are in the club, it's $11.99 US and $13.49 outside of the US, and there's no shipping on that. That's how that works. So go grab your stamp set. How stinking cute. I love it. Don't forget that we also do a giveaway each month. So all you have to do is make a project using this stamp set and post it to our customer gallery, and you're entered. You can win a $50 gift card to our store. Now that means there's a winner from last month, and their name will be in the description below. It'll be the first line, and we will also email you and let you know you won. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. This is so far my favorite stamp set of the summer. As far as cute. My favorite workhorse set was the one we released early this month, but this one is my favorite cute set of the month. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and till next time, bye now.